Alright, we have two test kits here. This one is from Longsee. Going to do some tests today. Alright, let's see. Then this one is the old test, COVID-19 antigen rapid test. Okay. Alright, so both of these are, you test it with your saliva. Now it's currently 9:41. Some of the things that I checked online is that the first thing you need to do before you do any COVID test is you need to go and brush your teeth 1 hour before the test. So now currently it's 9:41 p.m. So the only time that I can do a COVID test is 10:41. Things to avoid is any kind of toothpaste that has these bubbles. You do not want to get the bubbles to contaminate the saliva. So you need to do it. And if I've already used some Listerine to wash my mouth. Alright, so this is the other one. Maybe for today I'll use this just for a test. See what's inside here. Okay, this is the box. Alright, so it looks something like this. There are two types of COVID tests. The other one is where you have to do a bit of swab test. You can get this at your local pharmacy. Yeah, it looks something like this. Longsee. Yeah, can't get it on Shopee. It's not allowed on Shopee. So I'll take it open and let's see what's inside. Let's check. Here, what is it? Intended use. Why is it not straight? Intended use. Okay, where's that? Oh, it's not focused. Determination of 2019 COVID influenza A and B antigens in saliva. Alright, let's see what's inside. Okay, these are the things that you can find inside. This is the hazard bag. After you have done your test, everything goes in here before we throw it away. Yeah. This is where we spit inside. For the saliva, it needs to come from somewhere in the throat. Cannot be just from nearby the mouth there. And this is the cartridge where we'll test if if it's negative for COVID, positive for COVID-19. Yeah, so these are the few things. The box here. So these are the things that we have. So we have to wait 1 hour for it. Alright. So here there's a list of things to do before we do the test. The first one will be allow kit component to equilibrate to room temperature. So we have to wait for this kit to be in the room temperature for around 30 minutes. Do not place anything including food, drink, gum, tobacco, water, mouthwash products at least 30 minutes prior to collection of oral fluid specimens. So 30 minutes before doing this experiment, we should not eat any food, do not smoke, no chewing of gums, no mouthwash products. Alright, the first thing is that we have to spit into the saliva kit here. So this is the thing. Now we have to spit it inside here. Later we have to twist this around. Then we have to shake this, mix everything together. After that we'll open this and this will go in like that. Alright, so this is the saliva collecting kit. Inside got this liquid. Later I think we have to spit it inside here and then make sure that it mixes with this liquid and shake it for I think 10 seconds before we put it in this particular cartridge here. Yeah, these are the instructions. So it is positive 2 lines. Negative is 1 line, but it's the top line. If it's invalid, it's either going to be there is there's nothing that shows up. Alright, that's how it goes. There are instructions here. Okay. Alright, now let's tear this open. It has been 1 hour. Okay. So later what I have to do, I have to take this out first. Alright, so I have to spit inside here. Alright, spit inside, then later to unscrew it, then put this on. Alright, let's do this. I will not do it. Okay, I'll spit it inside. You have to have a very deep throat saliva you collect from inside. Alright, let's do this. Okay, done some collecting saliva. So to twist it around. It has gone inside. Right. Then have to use this. Screw it on. Shake it for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. It has been 10 seconds, I think. Shake this for 10 seconds. I'll get something like this. Now we have to leave it here for 5 minutes. Alright, so what do you do with this? Oh, you have to go and put in this disposable bag. Yeah? Okay, so that's what you do. I think from this test has to go in. Okay. That's where it goes. Alright. So wait for this for 5 minutes before we do a cartridge test. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I have to wait for 5 minutes. It's I think 1 minute already. Alright, so here's the cartridge. So after 5 minutes we just need to put the saliva on the cartridge and find out what is the result from this. Okay. Okay, it has been roughly 5 minutes. So let's do the test and see what's the result. So first we have to open this cartridge here. So get something like this. Alright, so we have to take out this. Okay, 3 drops each. Three. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. First what is it called? First column will be the COVID-19. Second one will be influenza A. Third one will be B. Yeah. Alright, so 15 minutes for the full result. Okay, let's see. What's the result gonna be? Okay. I think it's only one line. Okay, that's good to see. It's only one line. 15 minutes is going to be the full result. This. Alright, so after around I think 2 minutes, so here is, oh, it's all negative, so that's good to know. That's good to know. Alright, it's all negative. So just now I went and checked online to find out, to make sure everything is done correct. It's negative. Alright. Okay, so if it's positive, then you will have 2 lines on all of it, but so far we got 1 line on top only, so this is a confirmation of it is a negative, no COVID. Alright, okay.